Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Infographics. Guys, today's topic is augmented reality versus virtual reality. Augmented reality versus virtual reality. Let's start. Infographic elements. Number 1. Title and introduction. Catchy title. Navigating realities AR versus VR. AR stands for augmented realities. VR stands for virtual realities. Brief introduction setting the stage for understanding the differences between augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR. Next is point 2. Sorry. Definition and purpose. Clear definitions and purposes for AR and VR. You know what is AR and VR? Yes, AR and VR. Icons representing the real world for AR and immersive virtual environment for VR. Let's see the next point. Next point is number 3. User interactions. Visual representation of how users interact with AR and VR. Icons or graphics depicting augmented overlays in AR and full immersion in VR. Let's see the next part of this video. Number 4. Hardware. Infographic comparing hardware for AR and VR, including headsets, glasses, and handheld devices. Icons for each type of hardware with brief labels. Let's see the point number 5. Applications AR. Graphics showcasing AR applications such as mobile gaming, navigation, and retail. Short descriptions for each application. Number 6. Number 6. Applications VR. Number 5 was applications AR. And number 6 is applications VR. Similar graphics for VR applications including gaming, simulations, and virtual tourism. Brief explanations for each application. Let's see the next point. Next point is number 7. Real world integration. Diagram. Diagram showing how AR integrates with the real world, enhancing the user's perception. Icons for real-world objects overlaid with digital information. Let's see the next part of this video. Number 8. Number 8 is immersive environments. Infographic illustrating how VR creates immersive computer-generated environments, icons for VR simulations, 3D worlds, and virtual experiences. Let's see the next point, number 9. Number 9 is very important and difficult point. Challenges. Yes, challenges. We all have to face challenges. Yeah. Number 9 is challenges. Separate section outlining challenges for AR and VR, such as hardware limitations and motion sickness, icons or graphics representing each challenge. Let's see next point. Number 10. Number 10 is future developments. Section depicting potential future developments in AR and VR technologies. Captions like AR glasses advancements and VR haptic feedback innovations. Design the infographic with a visually appealing layout, contrasting colors for AR and VR elements, and concise text to effectively convey the distinctions between augmented reality and virtual reality. Thanks for watching our video.